Hi, this is Adam from Compost Guy, and I wanted to show you a little bit of an unboxing video for the Hotbin 200L version. You can see I'm using just the back of a spoon here just to make sure I don't scratch anything. As you can see on the box, it says with care, don't open with a knife. So that it's really packaged up really nicely, and as you can see it's very easy to unopen. As I wiggle it out, you can see how light it is as well. The box is also compostable, which is very, very handy indeed. And I'm just going to throw the box to the other side of the living room. And now you can see the team actually do a great job at Hotbin, checking all the accessories and all the parts are included, and you get that list for your review. And on the top you can see we have the top thermometer, so you can see the temperature and also the valve as well. And thankfully all the instructions come supplied with the Hotbin, and they're available online as well. There is a great YouTube video how to start off the Hotbin, and that's really a wonderful resource for you guys. And it comes with 2 cam straps. There's me pulling one out there and then dropping one on the floor, as well as the rake that you can use to aerate and harvest the contents of the Hotbin. And this is the hot water kickstart bottle. If you need to raise the temperature, that's one way of doing that. And again, the guides are online. You also get a very handy little thermometer that you can put into the Hotbin, so you can get a temperature reading from inside the pile rather than just on the top. And I think lastly for the accessories is the bulking agent, which is untreated part composted bark chips, and that helps keep air pockets, free air spaces in the Hotbin. And you can buy them from actually any garden centre when these run out. And I'm just showing you here the hatch that opens really easily, and the leachate exit there, the tap attachment, and the aeration, the grill at the bottom. So just closing the lid up, speeding up, opening up the plinth, which I got myself as well. I bought this all myself, so this is kind of funded by me, not being paid to do this at all. Just to say, if you do get the plinth, there is a nice label that says front on it, so you know how to add it. And you can see what on earth am I doing here. I'm literally just showing you how light it is, because it's big black unit, but actually it's very, very light, and it's fully assembled as well. I've even got the thumbs up there, and here's me just showing you again the top, temperature gauge and the valve, and then just showing you a bit of a close-up. Easy to lift lid, it's airtight once closed. And then yeah, that is the unboxing of the Hotbin.